Replacing blood with maple syrup isn't just a sweet death. It is an immediate hydraulic collapse. The primary issue isn't the sugar content, but the viscosity, the measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. Here is the breakdown of this sticky finale from a physics and biological perspective. 1. The battle of viscosity. Blood versus syrup viscosity is measured in centipoise, cp. Blood has a viscosity of approximately 3 to 4 cp at normal body temperature. It is a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning it actually gets thinner as it flows faster through narrow vessels. Maple syrup. Its viscosity ranges from 150 to 200 centipoise. This means maple syrup is roughly 50 times thicker than blood. Your heart would be forced to pump something with the consistency of liquid cement instead of water. 2. Heart failure. Poiseuille's law. According to the Hagen-Poiseuille law, the power required to pump a fluid through a tube, vessel, is directly proportional to its viscosity. Delta P equals 8 mu LQ over pi r to the power of 4, where mu represents viscosity. If the viscosity increases 50-fold, the heart must generate 50 times more pressure to maintain the same flow rate. How fast would it fail? The human heart, myocardium, is physically incapable of generating such pressure. The moment the syrup reaches the coronary arteries. Instant stall? The heart would make 1 or 2 heavy thumps, meet colossal resistance, and go into cardiac arrest or a systole. Time frame. Death would occur within seconds. 3. Capillary gridlock. Even if you had a mechanical superheart, your body would still fail at the microscopic level. Capillary diameter. The narrowest vessels are about 5 to 10 micrometers wide, thinner than a human hair. Red blood cells normally have to squeeze through them one by one. The jam. Thick syrup would simply plug the capillary network. The pressure required to push syrup through these tiny tubes would likely rupture your arteries long before the syrup reached your veins, causing massive internal syrup bridging. 4. Osmotic shock. If we imagine the syrup somehow started flowing, a chemical nightmare would begin. Maple syrup is a hypertonic solution, an extreme concentration of sugar. Osmosis. The syrup would immediately start pulling water out of the surrounding cells and tissues to dilute the sugar. Cellular death. Your cells would shrivel up and die from dehydration, crenation, within minutes. Summary. A human would essentially become a living statue almost instantly. Maple syrup is too viscous for the heart to complete even one full circulatory cycle,